equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your Lenovo Y70 laptop. Today, we'll cover the essential steps to ensure your device remains in peak condition. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a soft microfiber cloth, and thermal paste for reapplying if necessary. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as they can be quite small and easy to lose. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components. Start by using the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This is crucial for maintaining airflow and preventing overheating. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, check the RAM and hard drive connections. Gently press down on the RAM sticks to ensure they are seated properly. If you notice any dust or debris, use the microfiber cloth to clean around these components. It's important to keep these areas clean to avoid performance issues. Now, let's move on to the cooling system. If your laptop has been running hot, it might be time to replace the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Carefully remove the heatsink by unscrewing it, and clean off the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly on the CPU and GPU before reattaching the heatsink. This step can significantly improve your laptop's cooling efficiency. After you've completed these steps, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Plus, there are no calls or travel involved, making it super convenient for you. Finally, once your laptop is back together, power it on and check for any unusual noises or performance issues. If everything seems fine, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your Lenovo Y70. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Keeping your laptop in good shape is essential for its longevity and performance. Thank you for following along with this guide, and happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.